I'm Sunil Jadhav, Managing Director of Current Developers. Recently, we have started a specialized cricket academy named 22 Yards. Idea behind that is, as we all know, specific conditions of formation can convert coal into diamond. With the same objective, we have started 22 Yards. Being a parent, I have realized lack of cricket infrastructure is a real challenge in pursuing cricket as a career. Along with this, it was my love and passion and respect for the game which has provoked me to build this academy in 25,000 square foot area at a prime location in Pune.
22 Yards is a specialized cricket academy where we offer open as well as closed in-house cricket coaching, which runs throughout the year. The state-of-the-art facilities like bowling machine, video analysis, covered net facility and assorted wickets keeps us one step ahead in our progress towards making better players both technically and strategically. Our training faculties include pride names of Maharashtra Cricket Association who holds formidable records and experience in cricket coaching arena. The motto of our trainers is to hone individual skills along with building fundamental values, game ethics and positive attitude, which helps young cricketers for their continuous growth and development.
Sport has been basically invented to be enjoyed, and we have this attitude here at 22 Yards that we want all our boys, everybody who walks onto the plot here, to enjoy the game. We have created a pitch block which has different soil types and hence different bounce and different spin. We have the pace bowler's ideal pitch, we have a spinning track, and we also have a normal flat Indian pitch. So the boys actually get an opportunity to train themselves in all possible ways.
22 Yards is a specialized cricket academy where we offer open as well as closed in-house cricket coaching. Unlike all other academies, we have provided a covered facility which helps all the cricketers to play in all the seasons of the year.
And we pay a lot of attention to basics of the game. We are very high on, if you like, the old style of cricket practice. Still, the hanging ball is an important component of our practice. We do a lot of stationary ball, drop ball, lots of throw downs. We have junior, sub-junior, juniors and seniors, all three sections going in full swing at the academy. Basically, our client comes in two types. The type of people who come to enjoy their cricket and play corporate cricket and don't necessarily push their career seriously. We also provide them practice facilities. A lot of corporates have already started practicing at the academy. We also have the changing room and the shower facility. So the corporates who come here can actually get ready here by having a shower and have a practice, or maybe have a practice, get ready here and then go to work. And the other group is obviously the cricketers who want to enhance their career.
We also provide sponsorship to an impressive and underprivileged players to pursue their dream of being professional cricketers, a good human being and an asset to country. The primary focus of 22 Yards is to provide all the worthy cricketers with a world-class cricket coaching experience in an inspiring and unique learning environment.
All in all, we are taking care of the basics, the physical fitness, the mental health of the player, and we prepare them in a best possible manner to hit the competition phase.
The coaches here are very warm and friendly, and they have extensive experience and they teach us with a lot of warmth, and everyone here truly cares about their students, their pupils, and that's what I love about this academy.
22 Yards is the best academy and I love this academy.
If you have the talent and passion to make it big, 22 Yards is the right place for you.